Thank you for watching another episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today's video is an unboxing of this Nightmare Before Christmas Lego compatible brick kit. This is our continuing October Halloween brick extravaganza from things we've ordered from Temu. It's a crazy app, but you get some pretty good builds for pretty cheap. We typically do not review Lego brand bricks because they're already pretty great. What more could we possibly say? And we just find them relaxing to build. We buy plenty of them. We certainly aren't trying to call them inferior in any way to these other makers of bricks. Certainly, Lego is the top notch, the pinnacle. Although we do have a lot of fun with some of these other brick kits, and so this is one I'm hoping will be the same. Here's the front of the box. You might notice on our table here we have a whole bunch of brick kits we've built already for Halloween. There's the back of the box. Let's get her opened up and see what it looks like. It says it is by Million Spring here. Let's see here. And it notes on the front, 551 piece build and Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm not sure but right, they have to say that. I have a feeling it's probably heavily borrowed, but let's see what we got here on the side. It does look like it has a number bag, which is always encouraging. Yep. 2 ones, number 2, number 3, okay. And another number 3. These are actually in there in good order, actually. Looks like a lighted brick, maybe? Let's see what else we got here. Another 3. Nope, this is a 1. 1. A 3. Almost down to the bottom here. Another 3. And last but not least, 1 more 2. That's good. Okay, and let's look at the book here. Very nice instruction booklet. It feels about medium hefty here. It has 80 pages worth of stuff there with 239 steps. Let's look at the front here. Let's actually make sure that just because there's no bags of numbers we've found sometimes, it doesn't mean there's numbers in the book. It does give you the list of the bricks in the front pages versus in the back. Let's see here. Here's the start of the build. The colors look pretty good so far. Yes, it does show you bags 1 will build this, bag 2 will build that, bag 3 will build that. And we're starting off with bag 1, of course, which is good. Let me see here. So everything looks really gray, which is, you know, the color. There's not much color in this build here. I do have some orange pumpkins to kind of set off and some blacks for a little bit of contrast there, but the instructions so far look pretty easy to follow here. Yeah. So anyway, like I said, quick unboxing of our continuing Halloween extravaganza here. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Thank you to all of our subscribers. We're at 120. We're trying to go for 125 by the end of October, and you're helping us get there. We really appreciate it. We do have a Patreon account, which we appreciate if you consider joining our Patreon. It's not something for nothing. For $3 a month, you get access to our videos ad-free, and hopefully that $3 can help you decide what to love making next. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.